In this short video, I show you how you can install WordPress manually on your PC so that you don't need a server to run and build your website. This is done with the program XAMPP. XAMPP is like a virtual server on your PC where you can run your website, and therefore we download XAMPP for Windows. And next we need WordPress, so we go on the WordPress.org webpage, then we click Get WordPress, and here we can download the latest version of WordPress. So first we need to install XAMPP. Yes, here we are. Then let me minimize this. Now we are in the setup for the installation. Then we click next. We can leave it as it is. Click next. Select the folder. I leave it as it is. Then I click next. The language is English. That's okay. It's installing. Yes, please. And then we wait a few seconds. Now it's finished the installation. So we want to start the control panel, and this should bring us here. And we need the Apache and the MySQL module. We can start both. And we need to create a database where we want to connect WordPress later. Therefore, we go to the MySQL and click on Admin. And then it opens your browser. And here we create a new database by clicking on the new icon here. We provide a name. I just name it WP. And here go to the top and select what's on the top. And then we can click create. So now we open also the WordPress file that we downloaded, and then we can minimize the browser. And now I press the Windows button and search for htdocs, and this should bring us to this folder, htdocs, under the XAMPP folder. Here, this is our WordPress file that we downloaded, and here we open the zip, and inside the zip file is another WordPress folder. When we click inside the WordPress folder, we can see all the files that relate to WordPress. And we drag and drop this WordPress folder just inside the htdocs folder. Now we can close the WordPress folder, and from here make sure that both modules are started, then your virtual server is running, and then you can go to your browser and you type in localhost and then the folder name. The folder name in our case is WordPress. With folder name I mean this folder where the WordPress installation is located. So make sure that this name and this name over here is the same. And now you can see we are on the WordPress installation menu, and here you can select the language. I select English, UK should be okay. And now WordPress says we have to connect a database. So let's go. The database name is what we typed in over here, WP. Then the username is default root. Password is empty, database host is localhost, and the table prefix WP is default value. We can leave it as it is. Then we click submit, and now it says alright sunshine. Then we run the installation. It's already done. Then we can provide a site title, so I just name it website. I can provide a username. I type in easy. The password, I just copy it. Then also my email address, I just type in a random email address. Then we can also discourage search engines from indexing this website if we want to start building, and we want that this website is not listed at any search engine. Then we can check this checkbox. If not, just leave it blank. In this case, because we installed the website on our local PC, it doesn't matter at all. So we can install WordPress. Then we can also log in. And now we type in the username and the password that we just copied. And then we can log in. And that's it. Now you can start creating and building your own website. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.